Two German luxury SUVs, both starting around $70,000, but only one can be the king of the premium midsize segment. Today we're putting the 2024 Mercedes GLE head-to-head with the BMW X5 to settle this once and for all. This is the Car Watch.
If you're shopping in the $70,000 plus luxury SUV market, these two are probably at the top of your list. The Mercedes GLE starts at $69,500, while the BMW X5 comes in at $72,500. That's a $3,000 difference right off the bat. But price is just the beginning. We'll cover design, interior tech, performance, and which one gives you the most bang for your buck. Let's start with first impressions. The Mercedes GLE takes a more elegant, flowing approach with its signature LED light strip and chrome-heavy grille. It's sophisticated, almost stately. The BMW X5, on the other hand, goes for athletic aggression with those massive kidney grills and sharp character lines. The GLE measures 193 inches long, while the X5 is slightly shorter at 194 inches. But the BMW feels more muscular thanks to its wider stance. Both offer 21-inch wheel options, but the X5's M Sport package really transforms its road presence. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the philosophical differences. The Mercedes GLE prioritizes luxury with its dual 12.3-inch screens running MBX infotainment. The ambient lighting system offers 64 colors, and the seats feel like first-class airline seating. The BMW X5 counters with its 12.3-inch touchscreen running iDrive 8, which frankly is more intuitive than Mercedes' system. The X5's interior feels more driver-focused with its cockpit-style layout. Here's a key difference. The GLE offers an optional third row for 7-passenger seating, while the X5 maxes out at 5 seats. If you need that extra seating, Mercedes wins by default. Under the hood, these two take different approaches. The base GLE 350 uses a 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder, making 255 horsepower, paired with Mercedes 9 G-Tronic 9-speed automatic. The base X5 xDrive 40i gets a 3.0-liter inline-6, producing 375 horsepower with an 8-speed automatic. That's a massive 120 horsepower advantage for BMW right out of the gate. The X5 hits 60 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds versus the GLE's 7.1 seconds. If you want performance parity, you'll need to step up to the GLE 450 with its 3.0-liter inline-6. For towing, the GLE edges out with 7,700 pounds capacity versus the X5's 7,200 pounds. The BMW's more powerful base engine doesn't hurt fuel economy much. The X5 achieves 23/27 miles per gallon versus the GLE's 19/26 miles per gallon. The X5 also offers slightly better cargo space at 72.3 cubic feet versus the GLE's 74.9 cubic feet with seats down. For speed demons, both offer monster variants. The Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S packs a 603 horsepower twin-turbo V8, while the BMW X5M competition delivers 617 horsepower. Both will hit 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds and cost well over $100,000. Here's where it gets interesting. The BMW X5 costs $3,000 more up front, but gives you significantly more power and better fuel economy. Mercedes counters with more luxury features in that optional third row. Reliability-wise, both brands have similar records in this segment, though BMW's maintenance costs tend to run slightly higher long-term. So which one wins? If you prioritize performance and driving dynamics, the BMW X5 is your answer. More power, better handling, and superior infotainment. If luxury, comfort, and potential 7-seat capability matter more, the Mercedes GLE takes the crown. For most buyers, I'd lean toward the X5 for its superior base engine and overall driving experience. But if you need that third row or prefer Mercedes' luxury approach, the GLE won't disappoint. Which would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, hit that subscribe button. We've got more luxury SUV battles coming your way. Until next time, this is the Car Watch.